This week was less about direction and more about patience. The market stayed range-bound and both bulls and bears tried hard, but neither really won. Before we break it all down, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Every week I share clean, level-based market insights. No noise, no hype. So if you want to stay ahead of the key market moves, hit subscribe now and stay connected. Let's start with Nifty. This index spent most of the week moving within the previous week's price band, clearly showing a tug-of-war between the buyers and sellers. For a major part of the week, Nifty drifted lower and tested 25,700. However, towards the end, buyers stepped in and helped the index recover, inching back closer to 26K marks. Now, 26,000 becomes the key level to watch. If Nifty is able to cross and hold above 26,000, the next upside levels are seen at 26,250, followed by 26,350. On the downside, immediate supports are placed at 25,800 and 25,700. Another important development was India VIX. Volatility cooled off significantly during the week, with VIX slipping below 9.5 levels, which resulted in a squeeze in option premiums. Moving on to Bank Nifty, it largely consolidated throughout the week, with call writers continuing to apply pressure on the upside. The PSU banking space remains supportive, but on the technical front, the index has started forming a lower top, lower bottom structure on the weekly chart, which is something to watch out for closely. For an upward movement, Bank Nifty needs to hold above 59,000, and if it does, we may see a move towards 59,750 and 60,000 levels. On the downside, key supports are now placed at 58,750, followed by 58,500 marks. On the sectoral front, banking continued to attract buying interest, especially the PSU names. We also saw fresh momentum emerging in selective IT stocks, while auto and pharma witnessed steady buying throughout the week. Overall, markets remain range-bound. Volatility is, of course, part of the market, and stock-specific action is dominating the momentum.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.